In order to open the Microsoft Windows built-in speech recognition, we'll need to go to the Start menu and find our accessibility options. First click Start, then All Programs. Then we'll find Accessories, and underneath Accessories we'll find the Ease of Access folder. In Ease of Access, we'll find the magnifier, narrator, on-screen keyboard, and finally, Windows Speech Recognition. Sometimes if I'm in a hurry, I like to go down to the search box and just type in speech. Usually then, I'll find the speech recognition right away. When I click to open that, we'll get some details on starting the Windows Speech Recognition. It'll ask you what type of microphone you're using. Is it a headset microphone, a desktop microphone, or something else? I'm using a headset microphone. It'll ask you to set up your microphone so that you can have the proper placement. It even gives you details on how to set it up. About 1 inch from your mouth, off to one side. Here's where you adjust the microphone. You speak naturally, and it'll let you know if it's in a good spot. Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. Then click Next. It'll let you know whether or not your microphone's ready to use with the computer. Looks like we passed. It'll give you several options for improving your speech and recognition accuracy. I recommend doing those, but we're going to skip them for right now. It also allows you to choose an activation mode. I like to use the voice activation mode. So, when I say start listening, it'll listen to me. This is great for a lot of my clients who have a hard time using the mouse or keyboard. It also asks if you want to print the speech recognition reference card. If you need something like that, go ahead and print it. Let's get started. As you can see, when you start Windows Speech Recognition, you'll get your speech recognition options at the very top of the screen. When I speak, you can see that the microphone starts changing. It doesn't know what I'm saying because I haven't woken it up yet. So, what we'll do is give a general overview of how this works. Let's say, start listening. As you can see, my microphone's awake now. It's listening for any commands that it can recognize in order to do things. Let's see if I can open up some programs. Click Start. You can see the Start menu open. Programs. Go back. Click Start. Click Start. All Programs. Accessories. WordPad. I'd like to start dictating now, period. I'm not really sure what to say, period. Why don't we start with the date, question mark. Today is October 7th, 2013. So far, so good, period. Scratch that, period. So far, comma, so good, period. If it messes up the dictation, I can show you how to correct it, period. But so far, it's doing pretty well, period. Why don't we try saying my name, Latasha, period. Correct myelin. Why don't? Choose 4. Okay. Correct in trying. We try. Choose one. Okay. Correct then mining. Just saying. Choose one. Okay. Stop listening. The interesting thing here is that it did spell my name correctly. I thought I might have to spell that for it. But that sentence wasn't quite clear, which is why I had to go through and correct several things. In order to correct things in Microsoft Windows speech recognition, you need to say correct and then the item that you want to correct. If it was the last item that you said, you could say correct that. If you had to spell it, you could. Let's see if we can open and close some windows. Start listening. Close window. Don't save. Open Internet Explorer. Close window. Close window. Open Recycle Bin. Stop listening. Well, that's it for our demonstration of the built-in Windows speech recognition system. It works pretty well for free software. Give it a try. We'll see you next time, and as always, if you need help, contact Redwood's Assistive Technology Resource Center at 859-331-0880.